guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the message notification sound on iPhone. First of all, unlock your iPhone. Make sure your phone is active and you're on the home screen. Once the phone is unlocked, we're ready to move forward. Now open the Settings app on your iPhone. This is where all sound and notification options are managed. Once Settings is open, scroll down slightly. After scrolling down, tap on Sounds and Haptics. Here you'll find all sound-related controls on your iPhone. This section lets you customize notification sounds easily. Now, under Sounds and Vibration Patterns, tap on Text Tone. You'll see a list of different notification sounds. Select the ringtone or sound you like for messages. After selecting the sound, tap on Back to save it. Your text notification sound is now set. Next, we'll double-check message settings. Scroll down again in Settings and tap on Apps. This section controls notifications for individual apps. From here, we'll open message-specific settings. In the search bar, type Messages and open it. Here, make sure notifications and sounds are enabled. This ensures your message notification sound works properly. And that's how you can easily fix the message notification sound on your iPhone. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Also, comment below if you face any other iPhone issues you want us to cover.